So the goal for this video is to show you guys how to use Flex, or HTML5 3, CSS 3, and mainly Flex. So as you can see, I built this already. I just want to show you how it works. As you can see this. Well, now I learned how to do this a few years ago from somebody else. So this is not all of my idea, by the way. I got some information from Google. I watched some videos a few years ago, and now my goal is to share it back for you guys. So I just want to take you through what the final product is going to look like, and then I'm going to walk you through each code one by one using Flex. Okay, nice. That's enough displaying. Okay, so I'm going to open up my Visual Studio, make my first file, call it index.html, make my script file, style.css. Let us begin coding as you. Alright, so first thing first, like always, that always worked. And I guess I have, oh, that's because I'm in my CSS file. Back to the HTML file. Beautiful. So how did I do that? I pressed the exclamation mark, and I have Emmet abbreviation already installed. And I press tab, and that's it. Okay, so the title, I'm gonna call it Flex, and I'm gonna link up my style sheet over here. Again, I just press tab to get all of that information. It's done. What type of sheet is this? It's a CSS, so we're gonna name the type. Okay, all of that is done. This is good. So let's begin coding. So first thing first, this image that I show you it's an image of a food, right? So think it's a food. We're advertising a food. So what we can do is, let's start by saying, using HTML5, by the way. So you know in HTML5 we use figure. Now I'm going to create a class for this. Also, if you want to make a short way of doing classes, you don't have to do this. Let's erase this. You can do this. You can do figure.food tab and makes it for you. Okay. So so let's see. Let me start with my class, food. So what's next? Let's see. So we want to have this image section, this writing section, and this price section. So all these three sections. So this part, this is the first section, this is the second section, this is the third section. So that's inside all these three. We can say, so I'm going to call this one, I'm going to call it food section 1. Or we can call it food image, whatever. That's where the image is. And then we make the next one, call it food contents. This is all the content stuff. We can say food contents. Okay, so we have that. So this is good. And then the final one, we can say food price, I guess. Is it? I need a little water. Food price. Okay. So these three are good. So let's just make all the class stuff that we have already. food image, food contents, and food price. So, okay, so we're building things. What else? The background image. Honestly, you don't really need to have the same exact background image, but I can show you the things that I did. So now there are some things that I do want to show you right away. Uh, let's go on Google first. Let's go on Google APIs. No, actually not Google Fonts. Let's get the fonts that we want. Robot. So let's use we can use the first one. We can use Ebo. It doesn't matter. And like, let's use this one. Railway. Should we use Railway? Click it. It's really nice. Interesting. Don't really like it. Okay, we've selected Roboto. As you can see over here, which is selected. Load time is fast. Customize. I don't want to do the customization. And you can take the script here and put it in your link, or you can just do an import and import it in your CSS. I prefer the CSS one. Done. So go on our CSS. You can put it right there above. All our script is going to follow that. So next thing is every element inside this page that we're making, to make it look like this, there's a special thing that we did. Alright, so star means that whatever I write in here would fit would match every single element that is inside my HTML document. That's what star is. So the margin, obviously I want it to be 0 pixels. Padding, 0 pixels as well. And box sizing, border box is fine. Okay. Okay, so that's good. Now the body. Let's style the body. Background color. It's important. We don't want yellow. Let's see how that would look anyway. If we put yellow. You know, we haven't actually put anything here. Let us put something. Let me just write image. Let's say H3. Call it. I'm just putting some text here. Paragraph. Call this contents and price. Now let's open this up. Let's see how this looks. Open minus application. I want to use Google Chrome to open it. That's why I'm doing all of this stuff. Next. Might not see anything. Oh, we got something. Nice. Image, content, price. Just like I expected. Obviously, I don't want yellow. I'm just showing you guys. Here, obviously, it's not yellow. But again, the background doesn't really matter, but I'll show you anyway. Okay. Let's make the background all white. So, hashtag FFF, 3 Fs. Done. Next thing, color. Column, color. Let's make it all black. 0, 0. Done. Font family, obviously, we just said it's Roboto, so we gotta specify that because we have the URL now imported, so we can actually choose Roboto. It's not here, but we can choose it. We can write it. So it has to be in string, by the way. Next is font size. 16 pixels. Let's see how it looks now. There we go. You see the change? I saw the change. Next is now the background you guys have been waiting for. This is the background color. No, the background, not the background color. I'm sorry. For that, just for the body. Now to make this beautiful image, this is called a gradient. It's a gradient of two colors actually, a little bluish and greenish. See. Fly UI. So if this is how I got my colors. This is where I get all my colors from. Fly UI material. I look for the one that I want, and I just copy it. When you copy it, it gives you the code, color code copy. So it's a lot of people come here. You can see that's why they have Google give them ads, so they make money each time we come on their page. So anyway, you can choose your colors from here. Some background. So first, to make that gradient, we say linear gradients of what? So let's do the green one. So I wrote that down already, by the way, so I didn't memorize it. B2. I'm actually looking at a piece of paper right now as I'm typing of the color code that I wrote down because I didn't want to spend time looking for it. 4CA to CD. Okay, so here's the linear gradients. Not gonna see anything really. So there we go. Which is fine because we don't have any image yet, so you've seen all of this. A little style to it. We can say to bottom left. So what I did is I switched it from the green to the blue. I switched the sides. So without that, it's green, blue. By switching it, it becomes blue, green. Or you can just rewrite it. It's up to you. You can take a look at this. So it's the gradients. And now once we have an image, you only see one. Everything is contained inside this right here. That's why. So it looks like we have a lot. But once I put an image here on the screen, I'm putting my hand on the screen like you guys can see my hand. Once I have an image on just the first one, then all of these the duplicates, beautiful pixelated stuff will go away. Okay. Let me put a padding there. 2% is fine. 1. I always use 1 for padding for everything in my body. So now, let's get the image before I add it. I actually move on because I actually want you guys to see it. And I think it will be a disservice if we don't see the image. So we can say images dot Okay, I'm gonna try and find the site. No, I don't. They're making you sign up now? No. That's crazy. All right. So anyway, let me look for the site, and we'll continue with the video. Okay, I'm trying to see where I got the free images from we can use for this. And I really don't want to sign up. I don't want you guys signing up.